The BMW X5 key fob battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years, and replacing it yourself is easy. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 battery costing around $5 to $10. First, locate the seam on the side or back of the key fob. Gently pry it open to reveal the circuit board and battery compartment. The CR2032 battery is held by a metal clip. Slide the old battery out, noting the positive plus side. Insert the new battery with the same orientation to prevent issues. Snap the case back together securely, ensuring there are no gaps. Avoid using non-recommended or rechargeable batteries. Be careful not to scratch the plastic case. A common mistake is scratching the key fob case while opening it. Use a plastic pry tool instead of a screwdriver to avoid this. Always ensure the new battery is oriented correctly to prevent malfunctions. Store fobs away from direct sunlight and extreme heat to prevent battery swelling and damage. While physical key fobs with replaceable batteries remain prevalent, the trend is shifting towards digital keys via smartphone apps like the My BMW app. Future BMW X5 models may feature hybrid fobs with solar charging or NFC-powered alternatives to reduce reliance on disposable batteries. Remember to recycle your old batteries to minimize e-waste.